Well, they dragged me to the beach today. This is my first time videoing through the roof. I'll add this to my Whitefish videos.
There's City Hall. You'll learn all about it.
What's that?
City Hall right here. The
What about you, Samantha?
Oh, hey.
oh hey
Oh, hey. Are you going to be camera shy?
Oh, I'm very camera shy.
bull crap.
Well,
Oh, I saw
Mindy's got to get over because she's going to be a YouTuber.
I'm not scared. Look, I've learned. Hello, City Hall. I have learned after being here in little old Montana that my voice is on everything. So I've even had to learn to hear my own voice.
Where do we go here?
Right here. Marcus
right.
Foods. Nope, keep going. Right there. See the market? Marcus Foods? Where that red truck just pulled in?
Going to Marcus Food.
Only place that holds Tiki Slam.
It does what?
It's the only place that sells Tiki Slam.
What's Tiki Sam?
Slam.
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 Slam. What's a Tiki Slam?
The beer that you like, that she likes, that you will like.
Oh, I'm going to try a new beer, I guess, huh? This is the stairs I wasn't going to do yesterday. I just didn't feel it. And my knees are still shot from Kootenai Falls.
I got a bad ankle. I feel
At least the girls are packing it in. They've got the liquid refreshments, the towels. Oh man. You know, if they just made this an incline, it'd been better.
Are you filming this?
Yeah. I'm getting your best side.
Well, you're not wrong.
I choose the incline rather than the stairs. Sign says something. Hello.
Hi there.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
Of course I have no gimbal. I don't know how much of this is going to stabilize in editing. It's what it is. I'm usually always by myself. I am never accompanied by two lovely ladies. This is an unusual event. I might mark it on your calendar. You know, girls, for me, this is highly unusual because normally I go everywhere by myself. I'm never accompanied by two beautiful ladies. It just don't happen. What a rare treat.
Well, it's about to get very interesting.
What the girls gave me. They gave me a bench to sit on. They said, will you sit on the ground? I said, yeah, I can sit on the ground, but give me about a 10-minute warning if you want me to get up. It's a beautiful afternoon here in Whitefish, Montana. It's, what did we say, about 93? 88 degrees.
It feels like it's about 10, 90. The sun's hot.
And somewhere after 7 o'clock. They said they never make it to the lake before 7 o'clock. I got my feet wet. That water out there, that ain't Texas water, that's cold.
It's clean.
But you can see the bottom, yeah. You can wade out there quite a bit It's just clean.
I bought one of those.
You did?
Yeah, paddleboard. It won't be here till freaking winter.
Well, that's the one you got such a good deal on.
Yeah.
Motorcycle on water. Oh, that looks fun. And over here you got your paddleboard going on. Well, yeah, they're paddling. I can do that, but I don't know about that stand-up thing. I have trouble walking. Well, it's time to break out the fishing magnet. I've had this for a number of months and I've never gone fishing, but the rocks here are very small, so it's not going to be getting hung up on boulders. Check it out. We're going to try it. That water's cold. That water's cold. Oh, I got up to my ankles, but that's a no. I got up to my calves. But take the plunge. Take the plunge.
Oh, no. No, that's what I told her.
After 20 casts, that's all I got is a nail. I'm not a fisherman. I'm not a magnetic fisherman. That's all I got was a nail. Just a nail. All right, I'm going to try it too. Ladies are out there. Mindy went for it. I got to do it. I can't be showed up by the women.
Oh, you can't touch.
So make sure I got all the electronics off of me.
I'm short.
Oh,
Come on there.
these rocks, but they're rocks.
Oh, I can barely, I just now touched it. Yeah, I know. We're not made for these kinds of rocks.
Adjusted.
You'll get there, yeah. Oh, wait, there.
I got film rolling. But oh my goodness!
You can do it, Frank. I believe it.
I can do it! Let me tell you what. If I don't cut this part of the video out, I just want everybody to know I have not even had 2 beers. Staggering like a drunk man. What can I say? It's been an awesome afternoon. That water was chilly.
Oh, it wasn't that bad.
But once you got in, it wasn't bad at all. Now on the way up, they showed me the incline where you don't have to do those stairs. Those stairs were about the end of me. Got a little bit of altitude here, and I'm a huffing and a puffing. I'm going through the forest. I'm looking for bears. Looking for bears. Oh, good. Now it's downhill to the car. I can do downhill on the incline, but okay. And there they go, leading the way, clearing the trail.